What's up team, it's Tiarrea B, naturally, and in today's video I am going to really try to teach you how to flat twist. So you want to section off a small corner at the top of your head and then take that section and split it into two. Then you want to make sure to hold those kind of taut and use your pointer finger to hold one piece down and then take the other piece right on top of it, and then repeat the process. Use that pointer finger, slide it into the hair and on top of the previous piece you just laid down, and repeat as you go. Definitely want to continue to hold your place as you go, and we are doing it a little bit taut just so that it will stay and lay nicely, but ultimately we want this to be a nice and smooth, safe style for your edges, of course. So be careful not to pull too tight. But as you go on, you want to continue on and just kind of do this rolling method. You stick that finger in there and then you take the other finger and roll it back. And you can continue this process, kind of feel your way as you go. And once you get it, I promise it's not as hard as it seems, but sometimes it just takes some practice. So definitely continue on rolling it back, and you're detangling as you go. You want to start off with a detangled head of hair, but as you know, natural hair doesn't like to stay detangled. So keep a brush or use your finger detangling along the way and hold your place. Continue to smooth that hair as you go and just keep going. And then eventually you'll get down to the end. You're definitely repositioning your fingers as you go, but it's still the same motion. You're still taking your finger, your pointer finger, sticking it inside the hair on top of the previous hair that you just laid down, and we're detangling as we go. And next thing you know, you'll be at the end. So I hope that this tutorial is really helpful. I know there's still a lot of people out there who don't know how to flat twist, so I'm here to do my part in my little corner of YouTube. So I hope this is helpful. Here I am using my unbrush to help further detangle my hair, and this is pretty simple. You just go ahead and continue on with the regular twist at this point. There you go. And since it is a twist, I'm going to go ahead and show you my method for adding a rubber band. I like to add the rubber band to where it is going down the length of my hair. So I'll start at the top and slowly begin to tie it at the end of the previous loop that I made. And then you'll see it's down. Yeah. And then coil the ends, and we have a complete twist there. And for my edges, I like to do a little natural baby hair. No need for any gel or edge control for this look. You can just get you a little comb, and I'm growing out my edges, so it's very easy at this point to get a nice little curl. And yeah, ain't that cute? So yeah, so I'll move on to the other side, let you guys hear some music, and comment down below if this is helpful at all. I really want to assist you on your natural hair journey. If there's anything else you'd like to see or anything else you'd like to learn, let me know. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to help you and teach you how to do it, because I can do a lot of things with my hair. So yeah, let's keep watching.